I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious hamburgers using Lipton onion soup mix. This easy method is perfect for a quick and flavorful meal. First, gather your simple ingredients. You'll need about 2 pounds of ground beef, 1 packet of Lipton onion soup mix, and a large mixing bowl. That's all it takes to get started on these tasty burgers. Now let's get mixing. Place your 2 pounds of ground beef into the large mixing bowl. Open the packet of Lipton onion soup mix and sprinkle it evenly over the beef. Using your hands, gently combine the ingredients until they are just mixed. Be careful not to overmix, as this can make your burgers tough. A light touch ensures tender, juicy patties. Next, it's time to form your burger patties. Divide the seasoned ground beef mixture into 4 to 6 equal portions, depending on your desired burger size. Roll each portion into a ball, then flatten it into a patty about 3/4 of an inch thick. For best results, make a small indentation in the center of each patty to prevent it from bulging while cooking. Finally, it's time to cook your delicious burgers. You can grill them, pan-fry them in a skillet, or even bake them. Cook until they reach your desired doneness, typically about 4 to 6 minutes per side for medium. Serve your hot, flavorful burgers on your favorite buns with all your preferred toppings. Enjoy this quick, easy, and incredibly tasty meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.